Hello, it's me, it's Tinjan06 and welcome to this video. So in this video, let's install the first public beta of the iPad OS 15. Of course, this iPad is supported with iPadOS 15 because this is a 9.7 inches iPad Pro. And first, we're going to back up this iPad on iTunes. So let's go. Alright, so here's my computer. I mean this computer, not that. This is my iPad. Connected to my rig, and I'm now going to back up my freaking iPad Pro 9.7 inches. And yeah, we're going to install the iPad OS 15 public beta here in this bad boy. Yep, this is the one of the oldest iPad to be supported with iPadOS 15. Wow, because this iPad is originally iOS 9.3.5. Yeah, before calling it iPadOS there, and it still supported iPadOS 15. Wow, Apple, that's great. So now we're going to back up the iPad Pro onto my computer. So, alright, be right back. So here we go. This is my iPad Pro running iPadOS 15. But let's go enroll our device. What could go possibly wrong here, right? Let's download the profile. And let's allow that, and the profile is now downloaded. Let's see that, and there you go, the profile is there. So let's go to our general, and then let's go to our software update, and let's check. Oh, okay. I think we need to restart our iPad. Let me restart for a bit. Oh, I forgot something. Well, you need to install the profile by yourself. Oh, password. Alright. Okay, blah blah blah. Let's just install that profile. And there you go, restart required. And we'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back with my iPad here. Let's go to the settings. And let's go to the software update. Let's check for updates. Alright, but the storage is out. This update cannot be installed because it requires at least 5.12 GB of available storage during installation. You can make more storage available by deleting items. Okay. So, I'm going to uninstall some apps. Just wait. Okay, after some uninstalling some apps, now we can now download this. And okay, password again. Alright, pause in a minute. Right, and update requested. There you go. So this is a 4.18 gigabytes of update. Wow. About 27 minutes remaining. So I guess we're going to stay for a while. Okay. Huh. All right. So I'll be back in a moment. After some minutes or even an hour, we are now using iPadOS 15. So, yeah. And here's some new features. The first feature here is widgets on the home screen. Right. You could now add widgets to the home screen by tapping the add button here. and then go like this and choose your widget and then insert it like that. And also this widget is movable, and then there you go. You have your widgets on your home screen. And also this is a exclusive feature to the iPhone before, but now it's on the iPadOS 15, which is this, the app library. It sorts your apps into social, other, entertainment, utilities. It depends on what app you have installed here on your iPad. And again, it is now available on iPadOS 15. And that's great. We have some new apps here. The magnifier. Also, we have a new translate app here. So you could translate any language you want to. For example, English to something else like this. You could translate English to Japanese and whatnot. It has its own dedicated app now, and that's great. Also, if you care about fitness, well, there's now a fitness app here on the iPad OS, and it's called Apple Fitness Plus. So there you go. This is the Apple Fitness Plus, and I cannot seem to continue at the moment. Maybe it's bug out because after all, this is a public beta, so hiccups are, yeah, there. You could split two apps using the app switcher. Like for example, if you want to use Twitter and YouTube, then there you go. You could use that like that. There you go. And that is good. It is helpful for multitasking after all. And that is some of the features that is new to iPadOS 15. I cannot demonstrate all of them. For example, the FaceTime features because I don't use FaceTime. But it is there, for example, listening together, watching together, and spatial audio. But I cannot demonstrate them because I'm not using FaceTime and I don't have contacts with FaceTime. And also, offline Siri, I think it is not supported here on iPad Pro 9.7. It is only supported on some iPads, according to Apple, and so I cannot demonstrate that offline Siri, but it is there if you have the supported iPad. Yeah. And there you go. I will explore this operating system a bit more and look at this. The home screen is a bit mess at the moment. I'm gonna fix it. Gonna fix it for a while because it is a different operating system after all. Well, it's iPad OS, but it is on its version 15. So yeah, so this is the iPad OS 15 installation sensation and a quick tour. So it's me, it's Tinjan06. See you on the next one. Essere Kulkame Venti, and ciao.